Welcome to our lecture online, and for a final example, again, not a typical one you would encounter in solving typical types of problems, but again, a good example so we can see how the rules are enacted, how we use them. We have a combination of the natural log and an exponential function. So how do we do this? Well, first we begin with the rules of logarithms. If we're going to find the derivative y prime, we write it as 1 over what's inside the bracket, 1 minus x e to the minus x times the derivative of that function, the dx of 1 minus x e to the minus x. And notice within this we have a product and we have an exponential. So we have to use the product rule and the exponential rules. So let's continue. We have y prime, that's equal to 1 over 1 minus x e to the minus x times the derivative of that. So the derivative of 1 is 0 minus the derivative of a product. So we take the first times the derivative of the second. Now the derivative of e to the minus x is minus e to the minus x. So write this as minus e to the minus x. So we have the first times the derivative of the second plus the second, which is e to the minus x, times the derivative of the first, which is derivative of x, which is 1. Now we have to simplify that. So we have y prime is equal to 1 over 1 minus x e to the minus x times the quantity. So we have a minus here and we have a minus there. So they cancel out. That leaves us with an x times e to the minus x. And here we have a minus times a plus. That becomes minus e to the minus x. What we could do is factor out an e to the minus x. So that would then be written as y prime is equal to, let's see here, that would be e to the minus x times x minus 1 for the numerator divided by 1 minus x e to the minus x as a denominator. And so that would then be the derivative of our original function. Again, it's simply an exercise in learning how to use the rules. You probably wouldn't see something like that in a typical normal type of problem. But it's good to learn the technique because then you know you can handle any function, any kind of problem like this that they might throw at you. And this is how it's done.